Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm deep cleaning my bathroom. As y'all can see, it's super dirty, long overdue for a clean. I almost never let my bathroom get this bad, but I just been kind of busy, preoccupied doing other stuff, and my bathroom has been neglected. So today I decided I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna give it a deep clean. So right now I'm just removing everything out of my way before I start to spray down. And today I'm using my Lysol all-purpose cleaner right here, and it's the lemon breeze scent. I'm just gonna spray down the sink and the toilet. So to clean my toilet, I'm using these reusable wipes. I got these from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna wipe down the toilet with it. I'm not going to reuse these going in the garbage when I'm done with it. So I prefer to use paper towel when it comes to cleaning my toilet, because I just feel like it's a little more sanitary. But these wipes are a little more durable, so I just basically use them to get off the rough spots, and then I'm going to go back over it anyway a second time with my paper towel, because I just like to clean my toilet at least 3 times. So the last wipe down is going to be, I'm going to spray disinfectant spray on it and wipe it with a paper towel. Kind of OCD when it comes to cleaning anyway, but with dealing with this toilet, I just like to make sure it's clean. So I, wipe it down at least 3 times before I'm done. So to clean my toilet bowl, I'm using these Clorox toilet ones. I learned about these from another YouTuber's channel, and I've been basically buying them ever since. So I feel like these are more sanitary as well. So. Now I'm about to use this Mrs. Meyer Clean Day multi-surface cleaner. I'm using it to wipe down my pictures here. It's the lemon verbena scent, and I got this from the Grow Collaborative, and I'm going to use it to wipe down my walls as well. Alright, so to scrub my tub, I'm using this dish wand. I like it because it has the handle on it and it got the scrubby side to it. And I know it's supposed to be used for dishes, but I'm just wanted to try it in the tub just to see how good it works. And no, I'm not reusing this on my dishes. I already have one in the kitchen that I use specifically for that. I just bought this one to use in the tub today.